Hello everyone, and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rename a file, how to clear its properties, how to add a cover page and how to properly calculate the total word count of a file. Let's start with renaming a file. You can right-click it in File Explorer, select Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. Let's move forward to removing properties. For this, right-click on the file you are working on and click on Properties. Then click on Details tab from the header menu. At the below there's a blue sentence called Remove Properties and Personal Information, simply click on it. Now select the option Remove the following properties from the file and click on Select All at the bottom right. Now press OK twice. And here you go, your existing properties from the file has been removed completely. Now, most of the universities offer a unique cover page to be added in their assignment document. And various students face difficulty regarding how to do so. For this, first make sure you have the separate cover page in Word extension, just like this. Then open it. Press Ctrl+A from keyboard to select the entire thing. Now go to your desired file location. At the very beginning of the first page of your assignment document, press Ctrl+Enter to create a blank page at the top. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the copied cover page element in your document. If you need any modifications in alignment, feel free to do so as per your own design aspect. And as per the brief given with the assignment, fill the necessary places such as program name and assignment title. And here you go, your problem with cover pages are now resolved. The last element of this video is about how to count the total words in your assignment. Majority of the students make a common mistake, they select the entire file by pressing Ctrl+A and see the below mentioned word count, which is obviously more than what the assignment is supposed to be. The word count of an assignment starts from the introduction and ends where conclusion ends. The cover page, table of contents, reference list, and if appendices are present, they are simply counted as outside the given word count. Now if you look at this file, the total word count for this assignment was given 4,000. However, in our assignment from introduction to conclusion it is 4,174. Which is completely alright, as majority of the university assignment have ±10% limitation on word count. As a result, for this example assignment anything between 3,600 to 4,400 is acceptable. And there you learned how to count words in your assignment. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next one.